Safe storage of digital assets such as cryptocurrencies and NFTs is an absolute necessity, especially now that decentralization is going mainstream. Sure, you can implement security measures to protect your cryptocurrencies from malicious hackers, but the ultimate security measure to avoid crypto threat is storing your digital assets in a cold wallet that is not connected to the internet. Ledger crypto wallets provide the ideal solution for individuals seeking the highest level of security for their digital assets. This video review of the different Ledger wallets will provide all the knowledge you need to understand this hardware wallet, such as how it works, why it is considered highly secure, and why you should consider owning one. What are Ledger crypto wallets? Ledger wallets are a type of cryptocurrency wallet that exists as physical devices, oftentimes resembling a flash drive, and this is why they are called hardware wallets. They are also described as cold wallets due to the lack of internet connectivity, and this ties into their highly secure nature because they cannot be accessed remotely. Ledger wallets are made by a company called Ledger, which is based in Paris, France. This company has been around since 2014 after its founders identified the need for a secure solution for the crypto space. Ledger wallets are the ideal solution for individuals that do not want to leave anything to chance as far as the security of their cryptocurrencies is concerned. The company has two products, the Ledger Nano X and the Ledger Nano S. They share some similarities, but are also different from each other in multiple ways. Let us explore the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X in more detail. The Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X similarities. The Ledger Nano S and Nano X perform the same function of holding cryptocurrencies, and they both support more than 1,800 cryptocurrencies, including the most popular ones such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. They both look like USB flash disks and have an incorporated exchange feature to make it easier for users to trade cryptocurrencies. The two wallets feature mobile app support, and their hardware is supported by a proprietary OS known as Blockchain Open Ledger Operating System. This video is sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi is an exchange where you can trade cryptocurrency. Apart from earning interest on your crypto, you can take out loans as well. Moreover, it allows you to earn 8% annually on your crypto reserves, which is 8 times the best savings account out there. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's continue with our video. The Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X differences. The first major difference between the two cold wallets is their physical appearance. Although they are almost similar visually, the Ledger Nano S is slightly smaller than the Ledger Nano X. The latter has Bluetooth support, which makes it possible to connect to the internet-connected devices such as a PC or mobile phone, and it can still be connected via USB. The Ledger Nano S lacks Bluetooth support, but it can be connected to other devices using a USB cord. The two hardware wallets have internal batteries, but the Ledger Nano X's battery capacity is larger by 100 mAh, which extends its battery life by a few more hours before requiring a recharge. The Ledger Nano S only supports Android OS devices, while the Ledger Nano X supports both Android and iOS apps. This means the Nano X is more preferable to users that own Apple iPhones and iPad devices. The differences also come down to the cost. The Ledger Nano S costs around $59, while the Ledger Nano X is almost double the cost at $119. Setting up and using a Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X wallet. Having responsibility for your crypto wealth has a bit of a learning curve, as is the case with the Ledger wallets. The two have a setup process through which the user configures the device. It starts with connecting the device to an internet-connected device via USB or through Bluetooth in the case of the Ledger Nano X. Once connected, a Configure New Device tab will pop up, and you can confirm the action by pressing the button on the right side. Note that there are two buttons on the hardware wallet. An affirmative confirmation will trigger the installation of the drivers necessary for the device to operate optimally. You will be required to set a PIN, which can be a minimum of 4 digits and a maximum of 8 digits. The PIN is an essential part of the wallet security and, as such, will be required to access the cryptocurrency stored within the device. It is thus wise to never share this PIN with anyone. The Ledger wallet will generate a 24-word backup recovery phrase as soon as the PIN is confirmed. The recovery phrase is one of the most important security measures because it can be used to regain access to your wallet in case you forget the password, and also to set a new password if required. It is also useful in recovering your crypto in case your wallet is lost, damaged, or stolen. Note that losing the recovery phrase might lead to the complete loss of your crypto. You should thus write it down and hide it in a place that only you can recover it. You will be required to re-enter the recovery phrase word by word to complete the setup process, after which it will be ready to receive, store, and send cryptocurrencies. How to receive crypto using a Ledger wallet. Ledger wallets require a software medium to interact with other devices to carry out transactions, and this comes in the form of the Ledger Manager. You will be required to install your preferred wallet app. After this, you will be required to connect the Ledger wallet to the PC or mobile device and then enter the login PIN. The next step will be selecting between a legacy or SegWit wallet. SegWit is preferable because it is more user-friendly. Once the SegWit option is selected, the Ledger Manager will display the Ledger hardware wallet's address, allowing you to transfer to the cryptocurrencies stored in the selected web or software wallet. This option will require you to click on the Receive tab. You will then be required to click on the Display Address on Device button. Your unique Ledger wallet address will now be displayed, and you can then simply copy this information. How to transfer crypto from your Ledger hardware wallet. Sending cryptocurrencies from your Ledger Nano wallet is just as easy. Ensure that it is connected to the PC or mobile device on which the wallet application is installed, enter the PIN, and click on the Send tab. Enter the correct wallet address to which you intend to send the cryptocurrencies. Confirm that the wallet is correct and click the green Send button to finalize the transaction. If you own cryptocurrencies, it is vital to keep them safe at all times. Both Ledger wallets offer a secure option and are considered the best hardware wallets your money can buy. That is all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.